Hey, what's up everyone? This is Diosnedy Pelegrin. I just want to create this video. Look, if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Smash that subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to learn more about this. There's also going to be a link down in the description. If you're watching this on my Facebook or anywhere in Facebook, somewhere down below, above, to the left or the right, there's going to be a link or information, or just like, share, and comment this video to get more information. But real quickly, if you don't know who I am, my name is Diosnedy Pelegrin, aka the Freedom Fighter. And the reason for that Freedom Fighter is I spent 17 years in corporate America, and up until about the last year, I haven't had a job. I've been able to stay at home, travel, be a part of businesses online that generate me an income. And this specific business, where, let me turn my camera around, where I'm in Atlanta right now, they actually flew me out because I'm part of what they call the Infinity Summit, which is one of the highest ranks in the company, in the organization. I was able to generate in just three and a half months, $60,000. Guys, $60,000 in just over 3 months. That's probably in about 3.5 months where I was able to generate $60,000 with this business. The greatest thing about this business is that it's a financial educational wealth platform. It teaches you the things you need, the things that are necessary to survive in the economy that we face. So look, it's very, very simple. All I do is I do something like what you're seeing right here. I provide value, I provide content, give out information to people that generates traffic and interest, and people want to become part of it. They want to repair their credit. They want to eliminate debt. They want to do better investment management. They want to retire at some point and have some money. That's what this business provides and gives to you. So when you do this, I get paid. The same thing would happen if you join. So it's very, very simple. If you're in the United States, Puerto Rico, or any of the U.S. territories, you qualify. You have to be 18 and over. The business is also A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau. So they've been around for over 13, going on 14 years. They're debt free, and they have over $400 million in cash flow in the bank. And those are the things that I love, that are just the facts of the business. In these 2 days, I've been able to come down here to Atlanta. As you can see there in the background, I was able to meet the founders, shook hands, received a reward for them for being an Infinity member in record time. And the best thing about all, I've been an online marketer. For those of you who are an online marketer, I have no idea. I've been doing this under 2 years. So I consider myself a newbie. I consider myself someone who hasn't really done much online marketing. However, I've plugged in with the right people, the right team. I've learned the concepts. I also busted my butt off the last, year and a half, going on 2 years, actually, in about a month or two of doing this business and growing my online marketing. So I'm not no guru. I'm not no specialist. I just saw a vision, saw something somebody was doing, and said, you know what, if that person can do it, I can do it too. And look where I am today, generating $20,000 to $25,000 a month with this business alone, helping others duplicate and do the same thing, repair their credit, grow their wealth, eliminate their debt, make smart investments, and educate themselves financially for today and also for the future and into retirement. So that's one of the things I'm very, very excited for. When I learned the past few days, they took us out. We had a super stretch, 3 super stretch Hummer limos. We went to Topgolf. That was extremely fun, golfing with the rest of the leaders and the other team members, and that was just a blast. So look, if you're interested to know how I'm able to travel at any time, I mean, literally, I actually got laid off a year ago, about a year, 2 months ago. I was actually laid off and didn't have any plans. Well, I take it back. I did have a little bit of a plan. I was dibbling and dabbling in this online business, but really this turned serious for me once I no longer had a job, because I saw and witnessed, after giving 17 years of corporate America, I had to go find something myself. So, if you're interested to learn how you can travel, how you can earn money from online, how you can be part of this business and my team, what I want you to do, again, if you're on YouTube watching this, all you need to do is make sure you subscribe to my this channel. I'm always providing information more about this business. Make sure that you like, and give me a thumbs up. If you're watching on Facebook, it's very simple. Facebook, make sure you like this video, share it, show this to other people, share it with others, see what they think about it as well, and then comment down below or wherever the comments are, more info, and I'm going to send you the information. We'll get to talk. You can send me a message on whatever platform you're watching this, and let's work together and let's see what this business can do for you. So with that, guys, thank you for watching again this video. Again, on YouTube, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment more info, or just click on the link in the description field. So for that, it's been an amazing few days here at this Infinity Summit for this company that's done amazing things for myself and my team, and I'm out here from Atlanta. I'll see you guys. Thanks.